Kamui, what is all this?
Stay close to me. Don't leave my side.
It would appear that we have an uninvited guest. I didn't expect the young lady to be here.
You again. Damn you, you're the one who showed up at the Diet Building. Are you one of the 7 angels?
That's right. You chased me away at the Diet Building, but not this time. Shoki! Shukuyindo! Rin, Yo, To, Sha!
You dare involve Kotori in something like this?
How dare you! Shiki Shukadoshu! Attack! You're so kind. But if you continue your efforts on behalf of the young lady, you won't be able to dodge the next attack.
Why, Fūma? Why are you here?
Not only was he able to enter my illusion, he was able to counter my spell. Now I have something else to look forward to.